Japanese Pop Culture Day was successfully organized on February 26. It's an annual event designed for all anime and manga lovers in Mongolia. And Mongolian cosplayers really put effort into the cosplay competition. Due to the pandemic, the event was organized in online format in last 2 years. So this year, the organizers and customers had a blast during the event. The event was even organized on the 50th anniversary of diplomatic ties between Mongolia and Japan. Japanese Pop Culture Day has been organized since 2012. The organizer is Mongolian Japanese Pop Culture Lovers Association. In the near future, they are aiming to attend the World Cosplay Summit, which is a major cosplay event in Japan. Japanese Pop Culture Day consists of a variety of events and competitions, including manga drawing, Japanese song singing, and cosplay. This year, the festival was celebrated with around 500 guests.